seasons of my youth. I recall a box of rags someone gave us, and how my mama put those rags to use. There were rags of many colors, every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat. It was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, she sewed every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors I was so proud of. As she sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore. And then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it as Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made from only rags, but I wore it so proudly. No, we didn't have much money, I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. So with patches on my britches, holes in both my shoes, in the coat of many colors, well, I started off to school, just to find the children laughing, making fun of me, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. Now I didn't understand it, for I felt